Hey people, it's Rickaquaog here and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite tips, tricks or things you should be looking out for when you get a Tecno Camon 18 Premier. So these are supposed to help bring the best out of your mobile device. So if you pick this up, these are things you should definitely check out or implement to make the usage of your mobile device a very positive one. So without taking much of your time, let's get to the video. So for tip number 1 has to do with the camera system. So in the camera features you get this film mode. I really like this. This is because with this you get to select from a couple of templates. So if you have some clips, let's say for performance, street videos, vintage videos, this feature is going to stitch together these clips to you to get some nice collage or mock-up videos. So as you can see, this is a sample video. So what this basically does is that you take a couple of clips, this is going to stitch them together, add music and give you this nice edited video for your Instagram feed or anything that you want to use it for. So if you decide to pick up the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, this video feature is something you should definitely check out. Let's check out tip number 2. Tip number 2 also has to do with the camera system. So with this device you're able to shoot some ultra steady footages for videos. This is really cool. The only thing is that this is only able to shoot in 1080. So with this activated, you can get some ultra steady footages. So make sure you always shoot in 1080 if you want that unique gimbal looking videos from your Tecno Camon 18 Premier. For tip number 3, this has to do with the 60 times hyper zoom capability on this device. So with Tecno Camon 18 Premier you get up to 60 times ultra zoom, which is really cool. This helps you capture some images that are very far away and the images are kind of usable, so you should definitely check it out. On the video side of things, this is able to capture some videos up to 15 times. This is also a sample footage, so you should also check it out when you decide to pick up the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. My next tip has to do with the display. You know the Tecno Camon 18 Premier comes with an AMOLED display, right? Not just that, this also comes with a 120Hz display. 120Hz is all good and all, but you know sometimes this kind of takes a toll on your battery life. So when you go to the settings, go to the display, and here you can go to the screen refresh rate. When you're here, you can actually choose between 120, 60 or auto switch. With auto switch, what this basically does is that depending on what you're doing on your screen, this is going to switch between 60 or 120 Hz refresh rate. What this does is that it's going to give your battery life like a better chance of lasting the whole day. So if you're somebody that's not a power user, you don't mind switching between the refresh rates, you should definitely put your settings here to auto switch. So this is going to give you better battery life when it comes to using the device. But personally for me, I'm always going to keep it on 120 because I want that smooth animations every time, anywhere. So check out the setting if you pick up the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Next on today's list we have Peek Proof. So what this basically does is that this is going to allow you to display some things on your screen and hide certain things on your screen. So depending on where you find yourself, you can hide some things on your screen and turn back to activate it when you're ready to show it. So with Peek Proof, you get to hide some stuff on your screen. You can dim it, you can actually change the settings to make it very dim, and you can make it very light depending on your use case scenario. So with Peek Proof, you get to play around with displaying stuff on your display for privacy purposes. Last on today's list is the theft alert. So with theft alert, this is going to help protect your phone from being stolen anytime you're charging it and you're not around. So what this basically does is that anytime you lock your phone and you're charging it and somebody pulls out the charger, this is going to ring and it's going to notify you of somebody picking up your device. So to stop this, all the person has to do is to put in your passcode. Hopefully the person doesn't know your passcode. So this is to help you protect your devices anytime you are charging it and you want to be notified when somebody unplugs it. Yeah, when somebody unplugs it. So theft alert feature does exactly that. This and many more I'll be sharing on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. This brings us to the end of today's list of the top tips you should be checking out when getting the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Let me know anything you want me to explain more in the comment section, and I'll do that in my future videos. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.